When we started to rebuild, to refresh the building, it was a strategic decision. BECI is a company that is more than 300 years old. We want to give a positive, modern image. So, of course, I remember how it was, but I cannot imagine doing the same business with the building like 5, 6 or 7 years ago. I'm really happy because we have a very good feedback from our employees, which are really happy to sit there, but also from the customers that are coming every day and they're coming back, which is a good sign. First of all, I think the project leading was amazing. I still have my other job on the other side, so it was good to have someone that was very strong in project leading. In my case, it was Gorka, which was amazing. He knew every square meter, everything that we had to rebuild. And then the second point is that you do not have an unlimited budget. It happens you have to ask, is it possible to have it with a lower budget? And every time you answered yes on that, you always have solutions for everything, which is a good one. Follow-up, efficiency, not that costly, and the quality of the design and the creativity is motivating people to say, oh wow. I think all the BECI employees are proud of the building. When your own colleagues are proud about the building they're working in, I think that's a good start. That's a very good start for making business.